forward, you are gaining experience, learning lessons, and building resilience. These are the qualities that will sustain your success when it finally arrives. If everything came quickly and easily, you would not develop the strength needed to maintain it. The struggle, the waiting, and the effort are all shaping you into a stronger and more capable person. There will also be moments when you feel like quitting, when the weight of your goals feels too heavy, and when giving up seems like the easier option. In those moments, remind yourself why you started. Remember the dreams you had, the goals you set, and the life you wanted to create. Those reasons are still valid, and they are still worth fighting for. Success is not about never feeling tired or never facing obstacles. It is about choosing to continue even when you feel exhausted, even when things are uncertain, and even when the results are not immediate. The people who succeed are not always the most talented or the most fortunate. They are the ones who refuse to give up. So keep going, even if your steps are small. Keep believing, even if your confidence shakes. Keep working, even if the results are slow, because every effort you make is bringing you closer to your goal. Your time will come, but only if you do not quit before it arrives. In the end, this journey is not just about reaching success. It is about becoming the person who is strong enough to achieve it and wise enough to appreciate it. Every struggle you faced, every moment you felt like giving up, and every step you took despite the fear has shaped you into someone more powerful than you were before. The delays did not stop you. The failures did not break you, and the doubts did not define you. They only prepared you. So, as you move forward, carry this belief within you that no effort is wasted and no time is lost. Everything you are doing right now is building the foundation for the life you dream of. Stay patient, stay consistent, and most importantly, stay committed to your path. Because the moment you refuse to quit is the moment you move closer to your breakthrough. Your story is still being written, and the best part has not come yet. Keep going, keep believing, and trust the process, because your time is coming.